Hi foodies, welcome back to Cook with Puneet, where vegetarian food is made easy. Since Thanksgiving is right around the corner and it's getting cold outside, I decided today would be the perfect day to make vegetarian chili. It's one of those comfort foods that satisfy everyone's taste buds, even the meat lovers. So if you would like to follow along, please continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For this recipe, I used Oregano Seasoning, red chili powder, Italian seasoning, red chili flakes, kitchen king masala, 1 clove of garlic, a small piece of ginger, 3 green chilies, salt to taste, 2 medium-sized onions, 2 tomatoes, half a corn boiled, bell peppers, I used orange and red, 1 carrot, one cup of kidney beans, I actually soaked them and already boiled them, black beans, and lime. So I started off by adding some oil to my pot and I added my garlic, ginger, green chilies, and I added a little more oil and we'll just let that saute for about a minute. Next I added my onions. And we'll let those onions soften up a little, so give it about 2 to 3 minutes. And I'll just cover that and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Next, I'll add my tomatoes. And we'll let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. And just occasionally stir it so it doesn't burn. Next, I added a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of red chili powder. And we'll just mix that all together and let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. And after 4 to 5 minutes, I'll add a little bit of water in it, and I'll just use a hand blender to blend it all up, and this is to thicken it up. I just roughly blended it, I didn't completely blend it because I still want to have little chunks. And then I covered it and I let it cook for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Next I added my carrots, and I added those first because I want those to soften up because carrots take longer time to cook. I also added a glass of water, and I added my bell peppers, my corn, and we'll just let that cook for about 5 minutes. And then I added my beans, and we'll just mix that all together. And then I added a tablespoon and a half of my Italian seasoning, a tablespoon of my oregano, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, and half a tablespoon of Kitchen King masala. And I'll just mix that together. And I'll let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. And 5 minutes into that, I just added another cup of water. And just stir it occasionally. Depending on the thickness you like, let it cook for longer, but 30 minutes should be good. And your chili is now ready to be served. So find a pot that you enjoy serving in and pour your chili in that. And right before serving it, just squeeze some lime on top and give it one big stir and enjoy. If you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know if you try this recipe out in the comment section below. If you think someone else might enjoy this video, please don't forget to share it with them. My socials are at Cook with Puneet. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.